Hey everyone, Namaste, Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to my channel, Deep's Home Life. Hope you are all doing well. And as you all know, or I don't know you know or not, but I love to have a noodles. And today I'm sharing a spicy noodles recipe with dumplings. So let's start. For that, we have to boil water, add red chili powder. I'm using here a extra spicy one. You can use according your taste. Now add noodles and let it boil. I'm using here Buldak noodles. That's a made in Korea one. You know I love Korea, right? Now add into this dark soya sauce, red chili paste and rice vinegar and salt to taste. I like to add sesame oil also and it's totally optional. Now noodles is almost done, so I'm adding here a dumpling. I have that, but this is totally optional, but I like to have dumpling with noodles. And now let it cook all together. Once it's done, add cheese on top of that and let's wait until cheese melts. I'm making an extra spicy one, so I'm adding here chili oil. That's totally optional for you. So if you like to have more spicy, then you can add it. That's it. Our spicy noodles with dumpling is ready. So hot and enjoy. See you soon. If you like this recipe, share, like and comment. And till then, take care. Bye. Annyeong.